Hello fellow adventurers, Sushi here. Today we're at the Lehigh Gap and we're gonna see if we can figure out what that concrete structure is over there. Yeah, I know we're on the wrong side of the river. We just gotta go that way? No, that way. That's where the trail is. This was a bit of a spur of the moment hike today. I was in need of some exercise and I was wondering where would I be able to share with you. That is interesting. I was at the Coal Museum up in Lansford and I found this photograph of this old bridge and I recognized the picture. I'm like, I know exactly where this is. And that's where I'm showing you today, is where I found this old picture of this railroad bridge that no longer exists. The old concrete infrastructure is still here. Bit of a short hike today, because we're already there. And let me show you it. So the old bridge used to connect from that concrete structure over there. You see there's another pillar here that's still intact, and it goes all the way to right over there. I think this is kind of interesting because of how the bridge went at such a hard angle, but I suppose trains can't turn very sharply, so that makes sense. So here we are. This is the concrete structure. It looks like there's a sign up here. Maybe we can get some more information from it. This is cool. They actually have the pictures. And this one is an aerial shot of what it used to look like. That's so cool. This railroad that used to be here ran from 1912 to 1961, and it replaced the canals that ran from Tamaqua down to New Jersey. This span from here over to those concrete pillars is over 1,700 feet. I mean, that's approximately a quarter mile. Well, I want to thank you guys for joining me today on this short one. I'm grateful to have you here. And I just want to remind everybody that life is an adventure. Keep on keeping on.